Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, but this is not exactly a pick a card reading. This will be all signs reading. So I will read for all the signs and it will be yes or no reading. So it can be any question. So you can see for your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign and Venus sign. So any sign you can watch and you can ask different questions for each sign. Okay, so yes or no. So whatever is the burning question in your life or you're confused with something, so this will definitely help you. So we will start the reading, but before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for constant support and all the comments, love, and your affection. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you once again. So please note that these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with everybody, and the reading may not be always positive. Please note that. And maybe if it is not happening for you, maybe it is the message is for someone else. So please don't take everything personally or don't force the messages to yourself. It might be for somebody else because so many people will be watching the reading. So maybe that is for someone else. Okay. So please keep that in mind. Then if you want personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Then that's all. Yes, please don't forget to press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel, and like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my readings, or you can share with your friends, relatives, or any other family members if you feel like my readings are useful for them. Okay, then let's start. This reading is also requested by one of the viewer, and she asked me to do the zodiac signs or all signs reading. She asked me to do, and it should be yes or no. So let's see. Okay. So first I will start with fire signs, that means Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I will give the timestamps below so that you all can directly go to the timestamps. Okay, first is fire signs, then air signs, then earth signs, and the last it is water signs. Okay, so in fire signs, first I'll start with Aries. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity for my Aries people. So whatever question is there in their mind, is it yes or no? Whatever question is there in their mind, Aries people, please say yes or no. Spirit, please say yes or no for my Aries people. Let's see. So we have here the neophyte, and we have here 10 of cups. Okay, that means 10 of moons. You can see the cards here, 10 of moons and a neophyte. So these two cards are here, and also let us pull one card from the Sacred Indian Tarot. Okay, so the Judgment. From Sacred Indian Tarot, we got the card as Judgment, and other cards are Neophyte and also the 10 of Moons. Let's see what it says. Okay, I feel that whoever is sign is Aries, they might be dealing with some relationship issues, might be right now, and maybe they are asking about their reconciliation with their ex or husband or wife. Okay, so they are asking about the reconciliation, their marriage. They are worried about their marriage, I can strongly feel. So you might be dealing with a water sign person. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Strongly, I feel it is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so you are asking about this person. Will you get married or not? Or will you reconcile or not? Maybe you broke up with this person. Maybe he's already your partner and you are separated. So you are asking the question that will we reconcile or not? Or will our marriage happen or not? So whatever is the question, I can say that this person is very like a loyal, devoted person to you, towards you, and they are offering their cup of love to you. They are coming towards you, and they want to communicate with you. Page of Cups means it is kind of information. Okay, so they want to talk to you. They want to reach out to you. They want to reconcile with you. Definitely, this marriage will happen. If you are already married, then definitely you will come back together. So the answer is 100% yes, friends. So be happy, Aries people. So now let's go to Sagittarius. So this is for my Sagittarius, whoever is Sagittarian and who's a ever sign, sun sign, rising sign, moon sign, or Venus sign. So anything in Sagittarius is there in your chart. This reading is for you. Yes or no for your question. So whatever is your confusion, question, burning question. So this will be the answer. Angels will give us the answer. So let's pull cards for you. First one is Eight of Suns. So next card is Three of Stars. So let's pull one more card from Sacred Indian Tarot and see what is your answer. Okay, we got the Justice card here. So these are your cards, and I feel that you might be dealing with Libra especially, or you might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or air signs. Okay, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So let's see your reading. So you are right now, maybe you're heartbroken, someone cheated you. Okay, it can be financially also, or it can be um, um, third party situation also. So you are feeling heartbroken right now, and you are into a feeling that you are into a third party situation. So I'm feeling that you have Sagittarians have the two types of questions. One is someone betrayed you, or someone cheated you, or you want the justice in this connection. Okay, or in this situation, maybe financially someone stole your money and they are not giving back, or something like that. So you are related to some legal battle, or you are applying for divorce, or you are applying for any legal battle. Okay, you are filing a case on somebody or something, and you are standing strong, you are quite defensive. Okay, so you want to know what will happen in this situation. Okay, so justice card means definitely you will get the justice. That is what is the main answer for this question. So whatever is there is it is relationship based question or connection. You are asking about any love connection, or it can be a financial situation. Whatever the answer is, you will get the justice. Suppose if this person cheated on you, and you are asking about will he come back, or will he marry me, will she marry me. Okay, so the answer is yes, you will get the justice. So whatever you have done, you are innocent, you are pure hearted, and you have given everything from your side. And if the other person is cheating you, definitely they will get their karma, and you will get the justice. And also, Eight of Wands means you are patiently waiting for the answer, you are patiently waiting for the justice, and you are tired of waiting, but still you are waiting. But so the answer is yes for you, friends, whatever the question may be. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol for more notifications. So, for my Leo people, whoever is having Leo in their sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign, this reading is for you. Yes or no? Yes or no? Whatever is the question in your mind, please ask the question. Please ask the angels and universe to give you the answer. Yes or no? Please give us yes or no answer, spirits. Please give us the answer, yes or no. So let's pull two cards. Three of Suns and 5 of Moons. Then let's pull one card from Sacred Indian Tarot deck. What is the answer for my Leo people, Spirit? Yes or no? Whatever the question is there in my Leo people's mind, what is the answer? Yes or no? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Yes or no? Okay, we got the Lovers card. So I feel that whoever is Leo, or whoever is having Leo in their sign or chart, okay, so they are asking about the love relationship question. And right now you are waiting, you are maybe long distance connection, and you are waiting for the person. You are feeling very sad and you are not able to see, concentrate on anything in your life. You are not able to see how many cups are full, and you are worrying about the empty cups only. That means you are thinking about the other person whom you love deeply, dearly, and you are thinking about the person, and you might be asking the question that will they come back, will they reach out to me, or will they express their love, will they marry me? So different kind of questions asked by different people. But especially I feel that for this Leo people, you are asking about relationship question only. Okay, so and you are fiery passionate towards the other person, and you don't know whether the other person is really truly loves you or likes you, or they will they confess their feelings to you. You don't know, so that is the reason you are asking yes or no question in this pile. So the answer is yes, because the Lovers card is there. So you both love each other. It is mutual. It is not one-sided. If you are thinking that this is one-sided love connection, and you are asking the question, is it one-sided or they also love me? Definitely yes. The answer is yes. They love you. And because the Lovers card came, so it is obviously, it is true that they also love you. So this is what I have for you. The answer is yes, Leo people. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Now my air signs, Aquarius. So, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the answer for my Aquarians? Whatever the question they asked, whatever question they are having in their mind, what is the answer for their question, Spirit? I don't want so many cards, I want only 2. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the answer for their question for my Aquarians? So first card we got 8 of Moons. Then next card we got Neophyte. Okay, now let's see from Sacred Indian Tarot deck. So what is the answer for my Aquarians? Is it yes or no? What is the answer for my Aquarius people? The answer yes or no, Spirit. Okay, the World. Okay, somehow I feel that you are dealing with the water sign person. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You might be dealing with this person, and this is also, I feel that this is a love related question only. But I feel that you are very sad right now. You are very sad, and you or your person, you have some breakup, and you both are not together talking terms. Okay, this is also, I feel that love related question only. It is connection question. Okay, so this person might be at a long distance from you, and you are asking whether this person will come back to me or not, whether they will marry me or not, or what is this connection up to. Okay, so they are actually they are in a page energy. They are very loyal, devoted person, but for some reason they are walking away from this connection. I strongly feel and see that this person is walking away from this connection, and this is like a completed world. Okay, that means this chapter is ended. So I will take the answer as no for you. because the completed world means this chapter is completed with this person, whatever the connection you are having with this person. So that is because the eight of moons means it is walking away from the connection. Okay, so this person might be walking away, and this is completely ended. Okay, even though they have lot of love and emotion for you, but I can't see any third party situation here, but I don't know what exactly happened between you both. Even this person was into a page energy at once, like they want to communicate, but they don't have any intentions of committed relationship or a marriage or a long term relationship. Okay, and this person is away from you right now, maybe in different country or a city or a different place. Okay, so they walked away from this connection or walking away right now, and the person wants to end this relationship, and they know that this is ended, a completed world. That means this is everything, all the ties ended. Okay, maybe some of you are asking about a, divorced person, will my ex come back or not? But the answer will be no. Okay, for my Aquarians, it is the answer will be no. Please try to see any other signs. Okay, so we have I'm reading for all the signs, so maybe one of your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign or Venus sign, you can check other signs also to get the more clarity. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next reading, bye. For my Libra people, so whatever question they are having in their mind, what is the answer, Spirit? Is it yes or no? So already one card flew away, and this is Five of Moons. Okay, for my Libra people, what is the answer? Yes or no? Spirits, please give us some guidance and clarity. Is it yes or no? Okay, we have the Lovers. Very good. So let's pull one card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. So we'll pull one card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck to get more clarity. Okay, the High Priestess. Okay, first of all, I can see that you might be dealing with Gemini, or you might be dealing with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Pisces very strong, I can see here. So you might be asking about a love relationship only, and you are asking about your lover. So will they come back? Will they commit to me, or will they marry me? So it can be any type of a question. So you are very sad, upset, and you are not able to concentrate in anything in your life right now, and you are always constantly thinking about that other person, whether the person loves me or not, will they come back to me or not. You are constantly thinking, or I can say that obsession, I can say. So definitely you are having sleepless nights, and you are very depressed. Some people, I can see that they're very much depressed, or they are having some health issues also because of this. Okay, but I can see that you both love each other, because lovers card is there. So both of you have mutual feelings and mutual emotions, but the High Priestess means it is you are following your gut instinct, and you want to follow whatever your gut says, and you are highly intuitive, I can say that. So the answer will be maybe. Okay, so it is not showing clearly yes or no, but the answer will be maybe. Okay, so if you want more clarity, you can choose another sign, whichever it can be, like sun sign, rising sign or moon sign, whatever it is. You can choose the another sign and see the answer if you want more clarity, because the answer is maybe. It is not yes, it is not no, it is maybe. Okay, so if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. For my Gemini people, yes or no, spirits? My Gemini people, So whatever is their question, is it yes or no, spirits? Please give us some guidance and answer. Is it yes or no for the question? Whatever question they are asking. Justice. Six of Suns. Let's pull one more card from my Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Angels and spirit guides, what is the answer for my Gemini people? Is it yes or no? Whatever is the question in their mind, is it yes or no? Please give the answer, spirit. Please give the answer. Yes or no? Okay. High Priestess. I can see here the Justice, and also I have the four of Suns. Okay, then High Priestess. Okay, so you might be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or Libra or Pisces. So your person might be any one of these signs. Okay, don't go for signs, but you can concentrate on the reading. Okay, so I can see the Justice card here. So for some of you, this is definitely, I feel, that marriage related. Okay, so you are asking, maybe will this person marry me? Will he or she marry me? Or will they come back to me? Will they convince my parents, or convince their parents for our marriage? So definitely I feel um, uh, the Gemini people, they are asking about marriage only. I can strongly feel that. Okay, so two marriage cards are here and the High Priestess is here. So that means the answer is yes, yes, yes. Okay, Four of Suns means it is a marriage card. Four of Wands, twin flame connection, 1111. Justice. Justice also is one of the well-known card for marriage. Okay, so you will get the justice. You will get married to this person, and you will follow the gut instinct, or you are highly intuitive and intellectual person. You are matured person. So definitely you are. You will get the positive news from this person, and you are destined, this is the destined connection, and you both will definitely get married to each other, because two marriage cards are there in this pile. So that means you will get justice. You will definitely get married to this person, and the answer is yes, yes, yes. Congratulations. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Earth signs. For my Taurus people, what is the answer for their question, yes or no? What is the answer for their question, yes or no? Please, spirit, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the answer for my Taurians? Is it yes or no? So we got here Seven of Spears, and one more is the Hierophant. Okay, so your own sign came, friends. So this reading must be very prominent for you. Okay, so because you are a Taurus person, and your own sign got here, the Hierophant. So let's pull one more card from the Sacred Indian Tarot. Spirits and angels, what is the answer for my Taurus people? Is it yes or no? So we got Devil here. So I can see here Earth sign is very, very prominent here. So Taurus is there, Capricorn is there, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is there. So you might be dealing with fellow Earth sign. Okay, so your person or you both might be simply doing nothing and waiting for the other person to take the step. Okay, so you are thinking obsessively about this person, and you are asking about when this person will come back to me or marry me. There is one more question you might be asking for some of you: when the money come to me, when my money comes back. Okay, so you are asking people or you are asking whatever elder people for the help. Okay, the pope, the hierophant means it is a pope, it is a high priest in the tarot deck. Okay, high priest means you are consulting help also for your money, because you have invested and you are waiting for the returns, and you, for that you are asking, will I get my money back, will I get my investment back. Okay, that is what, for some people you might be asking a financial question, but some other people, they, you are asking about a love related question. Okay, so if you are asking about a love related question, if you are asking that will this person come back to me or not, is this person in love with me or not, is this person thinking about you, me or not, is this person remember me or forgot me. So if this kind of love related question, the answer is yes, friends, because hierophant is a marriage card, and devil is a kind of, you both are chained together and you are obsessively thinking about each other. This is a passionate connection. So the answer is yes if it is a love related question. But at the same time, if you are asking about any money related or investment related question, the answer will be no, because you are being too much greedy. Okay, so you kept your money into a wrong people hand. So you might not get the money back, because they are having devilish intentions. They don't have the pure intentions towards you. So that's the reason, if you are asking about money related question, then the answer is no. If you are asking love related question, marriage related, the answer is 100% yes. Okay, so if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. My Virgo people. So what is the answer for my Virgo people? Is it yes or no? What is the answer for my Virgo people? Is it yes or no, spirit? Is it yes or no, spirit? Please answer. Is it yes or no for my Virgo people? So we got here postulant. Second card is the moon. And let's pull one more card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. So from Sacred Indian Tarot deck, what is the answer, spirit? Is it yes or no for my Virgo people? For my Virgo people, what is the answer? Is it yes or no? Strength. Okay, so you might be dealing with the person Leo person, or you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you might be dealing with the Pisces person. Okay, these are all the possibilities that you might be dealing with. So I can see here with the postulant, the person is stalking you. They are having complete eye on you. They are stalking you. You are asking about one person. Okay, so I feel that you are asking about one person. So maybe you are asking, will this person come back to me, or propose me, or marry me? Okay, so but there are many hidden things are there in this connection. I can definitely see this person didn't forget you. They are stalking you in all possible ways, in the social media, personally also. They are asking your mutual friends, so they didn't forget you, but they are constantly stalking you. Okay, and they are not telling you the truth. Some hidden truth is there. Okay, so they are not telling you everything. Or for some of you, maybe mother also is interfering in this connection, maybe your mother or their mother. So okay, strength means you need to have strength for this connection to take up. Okay, for Virgo people, it will take a long time. Whatever question you are asking, it is answer is maybe, but you have to keep up the strength. You have to wait patiently. So it might happen, but if you have patience. Okay, but the caution is you have to know all the details about this person. So this person is not the person which you think or you feel. this person is something different only. There are so many hidden intentions or hidden things in their life which they are not telling you the truth exactly. Okay, so you have to have the strength in this connection, and you have to wait for long time, I feel, Virgo. So the as of now the answer is maybe. Maybe in future the energies will change and the reading also might change, but as of now the answer is maybe. Okay, if you like this reading, Virgo, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. My Capricorn people, for my Capricorn people, what is the answer, Spirit? Is it yes or no for whatever question they have in their mind? Is the answer yes or no? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Is the answer yes or no? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Is the answer yes or no for my Capricorn people? For my Capricorns, what is the answer? So we have here Abyss and the Sun. Let's pull one more card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. From Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Is the answer yes or no for my Capricorns? Is the answer yes or no for my Capricorn spirit? Okay, the Hanged Man. Okay, so you might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or any fixed sign like Aquarius, Leo, then Scorpio. Okay, you might be dealing with any fixed signs also, and also you have the Leo card. Okay, so these are all the cards I can see, signs I can see whom you are dealing with. Okay, so abyss means it is maybe for some of you, I am getting the message that this, you are asking about a divorced person, or you are asking about a person who is already married, and maybe they are not happy in their family life, married life, and they want to get divorced from that person and they want to come towards you. So you are asking, will they come back to me leaving their partner? So that is your question. Okay, so will they come back to me leaving their partner? And you feel that there is they are like sun card. Okay, they are like sun. Maybe you are having a son also with this person. Okay, maybe you are having a child with this person, and maybe you are divorced already, or that person is divorced, because King of Swords means all normally it is considered as a divorced person. So you might be asking about that person. Maybe this person is your ex already, so you are asking maybe this person will come back to me or not. So the answer is actually no, but because it is the combination is paired up with sun, so there is some possibility, but you have to wait for long time, maybe years, because I can see the Hanged Man here. So Hanged Man means it is like hanged situation is not moving ahead. So I can say maybe, because it is Hanged Man is a no card, but sun card is there next to that. So the answer is maybe, friends. Even if it happens also, it will take years together. If you have that much patience to wait for this person, definitely this person will come back to you, come towards you. Okay, so the answer is maybe. If you are not happy with this answer, then you can see the other signs also. Maybe the other signs are your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign, or Venus sign. So you can see, check any other sign to get more clarity. Okay, that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Then if you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notification. Okay, until the next reading, bye. My water signs, Cancer. What is the answer, Spirit, for my Cancer sign? What is the answer for my Cancer people? Is it yes or no? The Papist. What is the answer, Spirit, for my Cancer people? Yes or no? Yes or no? So cards are flying. Ten of Suns. Let's pull one more card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. What is the answer, Spirit? Is it yes or no? What is the answer? Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? Okay, the Empress. So, Cancer people, you might be dealing with strongly Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I can see strongly, and any fixed sign because of Empress card. So, you might be dealing with Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio, okay, and Taurus. So, you might be dealing with any of these signs. So, I feel that you are asking about a person, or you might be a female, or you are asking about a female, and you have the maybe you are carrying their child, and right now maybe my viewers are pregnant, and maybe you are asking about the other person, will they marry me, will they come back to me, or you are having carrying so many responsibilities on your shoulders, and you need a partner to share your responsibilities, or you maybe already you are a single mom, and you are asking about the marriage. Okay, will I remarry? So will I get any partner? For some of you I'm saying, okay, some of you are already single mom, and they are asking about a remarriage. Maybe you are a widower. Okay, maybe you are so, I mean, sorry for this, but for some of you I'm saying you don't have a partner, so maybe you are divorced, or you are a widower. Okay, widow or widower. So you are asking about the answer, will I get married? But I feel that right now whatever responsibilities or burdens are there, and you are walking away from this somebody, okay, and you want to move towards abundance. Okay, that's what I feel. But whatever is, the Empress card is very very prominent, and very promising card, I can say. So the whatever question you are asking, the answer is yes. It will slowly grow, and it will reach to abundance. So whatever is the question, I'm not exactly getting your question, but whatever is the question, definitely the answer is yes for you. So, my Cancer people, if you like my reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol for more notifications. Okay, until the next reading, bye. My Scorpio people. This reading is for my Scorpio people. Is it yes or no, Spirit? Angels and Spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Is it yes or no for my Scorpions? My Scorpions, yes or no? So, Three of Spears, Nine of Moons, and let's see from Sacred Indian Tarot deck, is the answer yes or no, Spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Is the answer yes or no? The Star. Okay, so I feel that you are dealing with Aquarius, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You might be dealing with any one of them. They might be long distance, and you are asking about a job. Okay, and right now you are learning the work, and you are asking about a job. Will I get job in abroad? Okay, and will I be independent? Will I be successful in my life? So in this pile, I can feel that this job or career wise question, I feel that strongly, I feel this. And there is a hope. Okay, whatever you are dealing with, you are having a hope, and definitely that hope will be fulfilled. So you will be independent, your wish will be fulfilled, because this Nine of Moons card is a wish fulfillment card. Okay, and Three of Spears is like you are kind of an apprentice. You are working on something very strongly, you are learning the work. Okay, and you want to excel in this whatever thing you are working on. Maybe it is money related or a job, or you are learning some new courses, or you are doing some software courses. So you are asking about the question, will I be successful, will I be independent, will I reach my goal, will I go to abroad? So all these questions you might be asking. So the answer is 100% yes, friends, because the star card is there. You will be famous, you will be become a kind of a celebrity, your wish will be fulfilled. Whatever the question is, the answer is yes, yes, yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, my dear Scorpions. Okay, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Last but not least, my Pisces, my Pisceans. What is the answer? Yes or no for my Pisces people? Whatever answer they have in their mind, please give the answer, Spirit. Is it yes or no for my Pisces people? Is it yes or no? Let's see. 9 of Moons, Ace of Moons, 1 of Moons. Let's pull one more card from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Sacred Indian Tarot deck, please tell us, is it yes or no? Spirits, please give the answer for my Pisceans. Is it yes or no? Okay, the depth. Okay, so definitely you might be dealing with another Scorpion. Okay, and you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, strongly water signs here, very prominent. So you might be asking about, will there be any new beginning in this connection, or will there be any reconciliation, or my wish will be fulfilled? Or for some people, I am seeing that they are asking about health situation. Somebody might be having a health related question. Okay, will I be well, will I be recover from this, will I recover from this disease? So maybe they are having, some people are having mental depression, or some psychological disorders or mental illness. I can feel strongly here. So they are asking about that also. So I can feel here your wish will be fulfilled, and you will have new beginnings in anything that can be in connection, or in a job, or a career, or a business. Okay, so definitely I strongly feel this is a love related question only. So you will have definitely a beautiful new beginning in this connection, and your wish will be definitely fulfilled. And I can see death. Death means it is a death and rebirth. Okay, something is dying here. Maybe that is because of your insecurities, or your doubt of your jealousy, anger, whatever it is. So the death will happen for the negativity, and rebirth will happen. Okay, so the answer is strongly yes, friends, because two cards are very positive cards, and one card is little bit negative card. I won't say negative, but it is maybe card, but overall it is very prominent that the answer is yes for your question. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, my Pisces people, and press bell symbol for more notifications. Until the next reading, bye.